You know, my story is simple. Born and raised in the south side of Chicago. Out of high school and college, became a trader. I did 10 years of turning companies around and fixing them. And I got to a certain point that I was burnt out. So if you can relate to being burnt out, then you know what I'm talking about, that it's not always easy. It's not always simple, but it's always possible. And I think once again that we get caught up in believing what somebody else says. We get caught up in believing that we're not good enough.
How do you get from where you're at to where you know you're supposed to be? It's not about somebody pushing you, and there is no magic dust. I don't believe in get rich quick. I think that get rich quick equals get broke faster. Does that make sense? It's take a couple years, build a real business that serves real customers. I look at a customer and I look at a business, right? Number one, are they acquiring customers? Write this down. And are they retaining customers? If you want to see the value of any company, it's not how many customers you can sell, it's how many customers can you keep.
And I've made a fortune by investing in those relationships. And I would tell all business owners starting out or you're seasoned, ask yourself today, go to YouTube right now and pull up your company on YouTube and show me how many influencers currently market your brand.
But until you move from your teams focusing on how much money you're going to make to how many clients we're going to serve, you'll always be stuck around the money equation. But if you're focused on client servicing, how many great clients can we serve? Who's ever driven past the McDonald's? Does it say we make billions selling you subpar hamburgers? No, what does it say? It says billions and billions what? Serve. It comes from the Bible. It's great marketing. The Bible says you want to get wealthy, you got to what? You got to serve others.